Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the simple sign-in process to access your Truist online banking account. Follow these step-by-step instructions to log in effortlessly. Step 1. Visit the Truist website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Truist homepage by typing in the URL www.truist.com. Step 2. Locate the sign-in area. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, which is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Choose your account. Type. You will see different account options, including personal, business, and commercial. Select the appropriate option that matches your account type. Step 4. Enter your credentials. After selecting your account type, you will be directed to the login page. Here, input your username and password in the designated fields. Make sure there are no typos to avoid login errors. Step 5. Click on the Sign In button. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Sign In button to access your account. If your details are correct, you will be logged in successfully. Step 6. Enable Remember Me. Optional. If you're using a personal device and want to save your login information for future visits, consider checking the Remember Me box before signing in. Step 7. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues logging in, such as forgotten username or password, don't worry. Click on the provided links for Forgot Username or Forgot Password to recover your information easily. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Happy banking!